Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video I'm going to do a couple more of these garden areas right here for my wife to plant some more seeds. That's what she wants. So I'm going to knock that out real quick before I mow today. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the next clip. All right, everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. And so that thing's ready to be planted in and then mulched around the seed plantings. And that's a 50-50 compost to topsoil mix plus what my topsoil, my existing topsoil is already there. So it's more than, it'll ultimately end up being more than a 50-50 mix, but that's what I've added to the soil. Was a 50-50 mix, so kind of end up with like a 60-30, 75-25 roughly mix, and it's ready for planting. So the only other thing I'm going to do to this is I'm going to go find some stakes. I'm going to stake out each corner so that we kind of have like a defined area, because after it's mulched you won't really be able to tell. So it's nice to have 4 corners marked. And that way also too, when your water hose is coming in, it doesn't accidentally get on the plants. It's easy to stay off each of your individual garden beds. So that's a trick you can use when you don't have raised bed gardens and they're at ground level. So if you have any questions, make sure to put them in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe, and then go check out some of the other content. Appreciate everybody watching. Bigfoot out.